Hey there, future business moguls. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to use your EIN number for credit in 2025. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, this is a game changer for building your company's financial foundation. Let's get started. First things first, what's an EIN? It stands for Employer Identification Number, and it's like a social security number for your business. Issued by the IRS, it's crucial for tax purposes, hiring employees, and, most importantly for us today, establishing business credit. In 2025, with evolving financial regulations, using your EIN wisely can open doors to better loans and funding opportunities. So, how do you get an EIN? It's easier than you think. Head to the IRS website, fill out the online application, and provide basic details about your business structure and ownership. It's free and usually takes just minutes. Once you have it, you're ready to leverage it for credit. Now, let's talk about the main event, using your EIN for credit. Start by applying for a business credit card. Many issuers like American Express or Chase allow you to use your EIN instead of your personal SSN. This helps build your business's credit score separately from your own. Next, explore small business loans from lenders like SBA or online platforms. Remember, in 2025, we might see more digital tools for credit monitoring, so keep an eye on services like Dun & Bradstreet to track your progress. A few key tips. Always use credit responsibly. Pay bills on time and keep balances low to boost your score. Avoid mixing personal and business expenses, as this can complicate things. And if you're just starting out, consider secured cards or trade lines to build credibility. One common pitfall? Not verifying your EIN with the IRS first, which could lead to application denials. Stay proactive and double-check everything. Wrapping this up, using your EIN for credit in 2025 is all about smart planning and separation of finances. It can lead to greater business growth and financial stability. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.